In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build email templates in HubSpot using the all-new DIY feature. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to get familiar with this updated functionality, I'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can confidently create and customize your own email templates. First, let's get started by heading over to the HubSpot homepage. If you don't have it bookmarked, just type hubspot.com into your browser's address bar. Once there, you'll want to locate the Login button, which is typically in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login screen. Once you've logged in with your credentials, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home dashboard. This is the central hub for your activities on the platform. From here, your next step is to navigate to the library. This section houses various resources that are available to you, including the tool we're focusing on today, email templates. Now look for the templates option in the library. Clicking on it will take you to a new window dedicated to templates, displaying any existing ones you might have and offering options to manage them. For today's purpose, let's create a brand new template, so the next step is to click on New Template. This button is prominently displayed, making it easy to initiate the creation process. Upon clicking New Template, you'll see a variety of options, but we are going to select From Scratch to start fresh and tailor the email template to your specific needs. Selecting From Scratch allows for maximum customization, giving you control over every aspect of your template design. At this point, you're in the template editor, where you can start designing your email. This is where your creativity comes into play. Consider the purpose of your email and the audience you are addressing. HubSpot provides a range of tools to customize fonts, colors, and images to align with your brand style guide. Don't forget the drag and drop functionality, which makes it simple to rearrange elements until you have the perfect layout. As you continue working on your template, remember to periodically save your progress. HubSpot typically auto-saves, but manually saving ensures no edits are lost. Once your template design is finalized, you can preview it to see how it will appear on various devices, ensuring responsiveness and a polished look across the board. Finally, when you're satisfied with your template, hit save and name your project something relevant for easy retrieval later. Your template is now ready for use in your next email marketing campaign. With the flexibility provided by HubSpot's DIY template feature, crafting engaging emails has become more intuitive than ever. Thanks for following along and happy template building.